Welcome back to the channel. Today is March 16th, 2026, and we are standing in the heart of Queenstown at the site of Tanglin Halt Courtyard. This isn't just a BTO, it's a massive piece of the Tanglin Halt rejuvenation plan. We're standing on the former site of the neighborhood center, and as you can see, the transition from heritage estate to modern high-rises is officially in full swing. Look at that structure. While we are still in the relatively early stages of verticality, the foundation for this 48-story giant is solid. What makes this site technically complex is the integration. We're seeing the first few levels of the integrated polyclinic and the two-story market and hawker center taking shape. It's rare to see a medical facility, a preschool, and 250 residential units, all sharing footprint. But HDB is making it happen here. The logistics of this site are incredible. We are literally a 3 to 5 minute walk from Commonwealth MRT. For future residents, that's just a 12-minute train ride into the CBD. To our other side, you've got the rail corridor. The connectivity here is arguably some of the best in the prime location public housing (PLO) category. Even at this early stage of construction, you can feel how central this lifestyle is going to be. Tanglin Halt is changing fast, and the courtyard is going to be its new crown jewel. If you're a future resident or just love the Queenstown transformation, hit that like button and subscribe to Zai On Site for monthly updates on this iconic build. Drop a comment below. Would you trade a 10-year MOP for this location? See you in the next update.